This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Open house Saturday and Sunday from 12 p.m. 3 p.m. You don't want to miss this great home nestled in the quiet neighborhood of Lafayette Shores. This home has it all. First floor primary ensuite with full bath and 3 bedrooms and 1 bath upstairs. Kitchen is updated with stainless steel appliances, breakfast nook and new LVP flooring. Huge gathering room currently used for pool table/game room. Sliding glass doors in kitchen and great room lead out to a backyard oasis of gorgeous landscaping, pool, and new decking. Pool pump new as of 2019. Room off laundry could be your workshop, hobby room or extra storage. New roof was installed in 2020. Large corner lot. Home is convenient to downtown Norfolk, universities, Naval Station Norfolk and interstates. Shed conveys as is. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.